You say I'm wonderful, a treasure hard to find, a beauty, a gem that is rare. Thank you, my friend, but know the truth. I am not yours. My heart is laid bare. With the wind I dance wild, swirling around time like a snowflake in the air fountains. With the sun I sing, sending love vibes above, to the sky and the angels in the mountains. On earth, I play like a child, experimenting with things, utilizing my golden skills. In the ocean I swim deep, like a dolphin, experiencing feelings. It gives me thrills. The moon whispers secrets in my ear, for me to stay gay and to have a great day. The star family far away shine on me brightly, bringing old memories to light my way. Cherish your dreams, but remember this truth. I belong to the cosmos, my wonderful youth.